Number 6. 4 to 5 lawyers to manage their social media profile. 10 ways lawyers can earn. Number 1. Get an entry level job at a tier 1 law firm. That's the most popular one out of the way to earn 1 lakh rupees per month as a lawyer is get into the law firm. These days, the annual package of in lawyers are up to 18 lakhs per annum for entry level lawyers. This includes freshers as well as other lawyers from joining second tier law firms or in house roles with experience. Big law firms treat people with 3-4 years of experience in any other place apart from big law firms as zero experience and treat them at par with freshers. But in any case, if the aim is to earn rupees 1 lakh rupees per month, is getting through the big law firm is a popular option. Remember that all 18 lakhs is not your in-hand salary. 20 to 40% of it may be a discretionary bonus. You likely to get only about 50% of it if we go statistically a chance even if you perform well. Number 2. Work on 2-3 bail matters per month. The most basic criminal litigation work that high volume and well paid is bail. There are always lots of people requiring bail. People are in panic when they're trying to get bail and do not hesitate to pay bail. But they want to go to a competent lawyer. It is a great idea to specialize in the bail matters, charging 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees per bail application, and hearing is totally feasible. Any good lawyer will charge even more in metro cities. However, there are always a lawyer who charge only 500 per matter, and you don't need to be one of them. However, even if you are new and desperate, do not charge anything less than 20,000. Assuming you are starting out, finding clients and can be challenging. You may make friends with policemen or jail staff or do a lots of pro bono work for people who can't afford their lawyer or even a bail bond. Doing a pro bono work for a while will establish you as a credential with many people, and you will get soon to begin a referrals due to your goodwill. If you do a good pro bono work for poor people and perform well in a court, everyone from judge to police constable, prosecutor, and other lawyers will remember you and trust you. The prisoners who get out because of you will sing your praises to other prisoners. And if you can get a 5 bail matters per month, which each for 20,000 per matter, you will earn a lakh. Number 3. Shareholder agreement for angel investment rounds. Not a lot of law firms or lawyers want to touch these small deals, and the ticket size is too small. No complication or long drawn negotiations, so margins are too small. However, this is a great idea for you to who just aspire to earn 1 lakh per month. Find small angel investor who do regular deals or even investment network like Mumbai Angels, Calcutta Angels, etc. Impress them with your good knowledge and background, and you can get a dozens of drafting due to the diligence and negotiating work in every month. Sure, per deal money fees are likely to be capped at 20 to 25,000, but what's the harm? You just need 4 deals to get 1 lakh. Number 4. Draft application, petitions or other document for other busy lawyers, one per day. This is more work than the rest we discussed. But this work is there in any corner of your city, and you can find it in any small town. There are always those 1 or 2 lawyers who are super busy and do not have time to train and manage their juniors. Their juniors do shitty work, so they do not bother to give them a work and trying to do everything from their own hands. This soon restricted their growth. It's hard to build a flourishing law practice without a good team below. Find such lawyers, and if you are good at drafting, show them the samples of your drafting. Offer to do a few of their draft for free. If the things work out, you can be their outsourced draft person. Not all the lawyers will be compatible with this, but for others, they will really very interested, because if this works out, they can double off and triple up their income as they can accept more matters. They are likely to pay quite less through, but if they are charging for 10,000 for a client, you will be lucky if they pay you 2 to 3,000 per matter. However, you can hike your rates over the time as you become more and more the part of the system. It's a good idea to not rely on one lawyer for this and have a similar relationship with at least 3 to 4 lawyers, so you cannot over rely and dependent on one. Number 5, help established lawyers to write articles in newspaper 4 per week. This is definitely a very well paid work. It is essentially a ghostwriting but goes by the name of research. You need to be a good writer for this. You should have a portfolio of published articles that you can show someone. This is a premium work, and if you are not good writer, do not even try this. You need to approach law firms, partners and senior advocate with this knowledge, but no time to write in a newspaper. It is important for them to write columns and articles and be visible in that way, but they do not get the time or space to do all. You can research the articles for them, provide them their first draft, and when they're done with the final draft, you can coordinate sending it to newspaper or magazine that would appreciate with each article. Number 6, 4 to 5 layers to manage their social media profile. If you are good at social media, this is a fantastic thing. Only lawyers are effective at doing a legal social media, because the generic social media people don't get a legal social media. Lawyers love to get more followers. For most of them, it is about vanity and rather than a business. However, it is possible to make a social media strategy that contributes strongly to one's practice. You can either appeal one's ego by promising them to get a lots of followers every month. Number 7, ghostwriting books. A hyperbolic saying claims that for a general public there is a god, and then there are the experts who wrote bestsellers. Bestsellers is not required to managing to publish a book from a decent publication and can do a lot of good for a lawyer's credibility. You could charge up to 2 lakh rupees for 20 chapters. It makes a lot of commercial sense for lawyers to do this. You will find many clients if you can showcase your ability to publish books and build some relationship with the legal publishing industry. Apart from money, it will improve your knowledge and writing skills. Number 8, build a great profile on freelancing sites. There are a lots of freelancing work websites like Upwork, Fiverr, Guru and Freelancer. They all have a lot of legal work being posted for freelancers. You can do a lot of work from these sites. However, work is likely to go to people with a lots of positive rating and successful project. So hustle to make your profile amazing, and after that it's quite easy to get a 1 lakh. Number 9, writing article for international publication on legal topics for 4 to 5 per month. How about the writing and legal opinions pieces and commission analysis articles for international publications? And Al Jazeera or Gulf News can pay up to 25,000 INR for a single article, while Indian domestic publications will happily pay you INR 7,000 to 10,000 for each top-notch article. However, you cannot just send a random article to them to ask to pay. You have to first pitch to an editor who may like the idea of the article you propose and commission you to write that article. However, if you write frequently, this is not too hard. If you could write 10 articles for per month and each article is worth rupees 10,000 INR, you can easily create a 1 lakh rupees per month. Number 10, get a couple of gun license per month. How much you can charge for getting someone a gun license? Around 50,000 is quite reasonable. Lots of people are looking for a gun license in India. It is hard to get. You can charge above amount just for processing papers. After all, there are no guarantee that the administration will give someone license for necessarily, even if you did your job perfectly. One great idea is to get a license and help people to getting that license is to giving a strategic advice. For example, sign up them with preferably their kids for shooting as a sport. They are 100 times more likely to get eligible for a license as India wants more medals